Don't watch me. Mental, what is it? If the National Health Insurance Authority, near Milichian, the friend of Dr. Spark, in our airport, the chief executive, Dr. Da Costa Boye, the deputy chief executive, in charge of operations, Mrs. Louisa Tajima, the deputy chief executive, in charge of finance and investment, Francis Usuachia. There were directors, and so I come. Now, whatever group, the new chief executive, Chairman, the new chief executive, President Adaro Modenaba, they know HL. And it doesn't mean health insurance by 20 years. President Kufuor one or the buyer, and I know what he is here, also the 25 years. Insurance there, we didn't this man. I bring a advance for my appreciate to you. This is a 25 years for me, and so they are 25th anniversary. And I said, let's share. Now, the show said, now, there is a wish and a bunch. And also means heat component project Sebi intimate Casey insurance the component this Casey and I want intimate Casey. And also mobile. That's a coming to Mura, Kaku made in Boku Lanka. Mamma chief executive, Ama Obama. Really, the Tumra Mupanchen. Kaku made in Boku. Anachami, Ento, Nana says, on one this year, and I'm free. They cooperate and Rashida, Honorable Chief of Staff, and the main Ebecha, require a lady in your command in the Yaya. Now, on one soon said, COVID by a hair, by American or maybe COVID and the NCBA and the National Health Insurance Authority, Dr. Bernard Coboy, among Penny, a born Basuma, a corner him. Now, corner him, Nana this year near Army Free Kumo, and now one penny, a year said, in Concord National Health Insurance Authority. Now, the friend Dr. Da Costa Boaje, now said, yeah, me bought check, the Nana Ama Sansima in Agani, the Hill Component projects. Now, say insurance and component so dear, a bit no idea. Less than Nana 80 Mapasea, the NCA Amano and Cossa. It's a corporate social responsibility. Sika, yeah, you want the Kakra, Evacuat, Nana, nowadays, the Jumano. You see, patch of my mercy.
Madam, we bring health insurance for you. You bring one way. You bring health insurance for you.
What's your name?
Thank you.